So before we proceed with this, let's do a challenge. So since there are just only the two of us, you can ask me about
Line. And then small letter B. Wait.
why are
Slowly at least. The letter C. And then big letter C.
why am I adult?
Slowly.
Is that your question? Why are you adult?
Very good.
That's okay. Was that your question to me? Why am I an adult? Or you want to ask another question?
T.
You can ask simple questions like, Teacher, what is your age? Speak the some uses of the keywords.
Yes,
And you
very
will speak
good.
the examples. Okay?
Small letter.
So, number one.